Okay, guys, I had a couple questions about figuring out whether or not a graph is a function. So this is actually very simple. So let's look at these two different graphs, and we're going to use what's called the vertical line test. So if all we need to do is figure out if something is a function, if a graph is a function, use what's called the vertical line test. So all we do is we're going to take a vertical line, that means up and down, and you're going to run it through your graph. Okay, so my graph's in blue, and if you notice on this first one, anywhere we run that, so let's take that off so we can talk about it again. Okay, if I run a vertical line, say here, it only touches that blue graph once. Same thing here, only the one time. Same thing here, only the one time. Anywhere you put that vertical line, it only touches the graph once. That means that yes, it is a function. Okay. So on the second one, if I take a vertical line and I run it through this circle, okay, how many times does it hit it? It hits it once, twice. Okay, if it hits it more than once, that means it's not a function. So this would not be a function.